A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Freedom is a state of being that transcends physical boundaries and limitations. It is the recognition that we are all connected in this great web of life, with each of us playing an important role within it. Take a few moments and close your eyes. Focus on your breathing and imagine yourself as part of this web. Feel the connection between you and every other living thing around you, both near and far. Sense the interdependence among us, even when we seem isolated or alone. Now, take some time to reflect on what freedom means to you and how it can help shape your life decisions. Consider how freeing it feels when you let go of old ideas or beliefs that no longer serve you, or when you are able to accept and embrace those things in your life that you cannot control. Visualize what it looks like when you are free to express yourself fully, without fear or judgment. Notice how this freedom gives you the courage to be creative, explore new possibilities, and take risks. Breathe in and out. Allow these feelings of freedom to permeate throughout your entire being as they connect with an inner awareness deep within. Savor the beauty of this moment and let it open up a space for joy and peace in your life. When you're ready, slowly come back into the present moment with a renewed sense of freedom and understanding. You may want to write down some of your reflections before coming out of this practice so that you can continue to explore the idea of freedom in your everyday life. Take one more deep breath in and out. May you find the freedom to be who you truly are and live a life in alignment with your true self.